Your vehicle service is just one touch away from automation. Brampton Chrysler is committed to giving its highly esteemed customers the best experience and keeping in mind their valued time. To pace up our services, we introduce a new self-check-in service kiosk. Integrated with the most updated technology, our Express Service Kiosk offers you a fast and easy way to drop off your vehicle and make you free from regular service department hiccups like long queues, wastage of time, uncertain waiting. No worries now. Get your booking done within 3 minutes, and you'll get a notification when your vehicle is ready for pickup. Now, it's high time to embrace hassle-free services at the tips of your fingers. Let me show you, step by step, how you can use it. It's pretty simple. Bring your vehicle at our service department. Make a visit to our self-check-in service kiosk. Tap its touch screen to begin the procedure. For the new users, one-time information will be asked. You can go for click pre-booked reservation option as you become a regular client. You'll be asked to share basic info including address, phone number, and some other details, etc. Follow carefully all of the instructions on the touch screen. Enter your information in order to start using our service kiosk. Choose the kind of services for your vehicle. You can add as many service options as required for your vehicle. Once information is complete, confirm your appointment. Key locker door will automatically fling open for you. Put your keys safely in the locker and close it properly. You can choose various options which include drop off and go option. You may wait in the cozy service lounge. You can choose a shuffle van. When service work is complete, you will get a pickup notification on your phone and email ID. When you return to the kiosk, press the pickup button and follow the instructions on the touch screen. You can easily review all kinds of services completed on your vehicle. Sign off for the day. Upon completion, you will pay the service fees with just one swipe of your card. Your key locker will automatically open and you can get your keys. Attendant will escort you to your vehicle's location. Drive home safely and comfortably on the wheels of automation. We hope to see you soon at our kiosk, getting a quick, flawless, and seamless service and in return, treating us to your priceless smile of satisfaction.